most obvious feature of the IO mask is its transparent design. The clear body liberates the face visually and allows for mimic and emotion to return to our everyday conversations.
At the bottom of the mask, we have a filter cartridge, which makes it very easy for you to exchange your filter pads.
All filters are FFP2 standard and are recyclable. The filters last up to 72 hours of breathing. This way you can enjoy a maximum of security whilst keeping your environment clean.
The flexible sealing stays soft to your skin even after hours of wearing your IO mask. Additionally, at the top of the mask we have two optional breathing valves that further improve the airflow within the mask. Your IO mask comes with 180 degrees adjustable head straps, which make your IO even more comfortable to wear, even for a longer period of time.
IO is ready for mass production. In order to ensure the highest production quality and standards, we need your help to kickstart operations. Support our cause, become a backer of our Indiegogo campaign, and secure yourself one of our great IO perks.